welcome back to the dyno cell. We've got a bike strapped to the dyno today that we know is going to be really popular. It's an absolutely fantastic bike to ride on the road. If you have been out on the road on these, you'll know exactly what I mean. Not so sure about the front suspension, but I'm sure it can be addressed. It is of course the Yamaha R7. This particular one has got an Acra decat system on it, so we're going to run it up on the dyno, see what it's doing, and then we'll write a file to make it run and fuel perfectly. The Yamaha R7 did actually surprise us a little bit when we ran it on the dyno to get the base readings of how Yamaha had set it up at the factory. We found really that the only place that it needed fuel was below 50% throttle openings. Anything 50% and above was actually fueling perfectly well, didn't need any modifications. So you can see here, we've done this run at 25% and we've had to add quite a huge amount of fuel, right up to about 8,000 RPM. At 50% and above, we really didn't need to modify the fueling at all, and by just a little bit of fine tuning on the advance and altering some limiters, we managed to gain a modest 3 horsepower, taking the bike up from 72 to 75 brake horsepower at the back wheel. We know this is going to be a really popular bike, rides really well on the road, and if you have one and you're not local to us, these are available on our ECU flasher. This is a device that lets you take a read from the ECU on your bike, send that file to one of our map writers who will modify it, taking into account any hardware modifications you've added to your bike. We really hope you're enjoying what we're bringing to the channel. Please do hit the subscribe, the like and the bell icon. It really does help us out and it keeps you notified of any new content that we bring into the channel.